I was going insane. It's like I've lost my purpose. And then I realized what was missing. I just needed to go fly. So that's what we did. Brush the dust off my FPV gear, pack my bags, and head straight to my favorite place, Broga Hills.
What up, big dog? Oh, that is a bad hair day for sure. So the plan is to climb, hike, which is about 40 minutes, 30 minutes if you're fast. We're gonna go up there, hopefully by the time the clouds move on, and we're gonna fly. I just need to practice my drone skills because I'm heading somewhere which I'm not gonna reveal yet, and it's beautiful, lots of mountains, lots of long range coming up. So we're gonna go up, we're gonna fly. My name is not Bear Grylls, but I'm here with my friend. We're gonna climb to the top of the hill.
When was the last time you flew?
I don't even remember when it's the last time that I... We've almost reached the top. I'm drenched in sweat. Somehow this guy is also drenched in sweat. Just taking a drone shot here, Mini 5 Pro. And a lot of these vegetations here used to be like nothing. There was a clear view. But yeah, it's still beautiful. Even after all these years, we are almost there to the top. We're just gonna go to the top and start flying. I don't think the sun is coming out today. Alright, in the new episode of What's in My Backpack 101, got my 5-inch quad. That's all I know. I'm not supposed to keep it here. I'm supposed to hang it out like a professional FPV pilot, but got my TBS Tango, my goggles, and not the best hair day, I suppose. But here we are. There's absolutely nobody here. What do you feel about this place?
Place is just fucking amazing. Solid weather, solid wind.
Solid. So this guy is about to open his legs and fly through right here. But how are you gonna do there's no clear line of sight. Maybe from there. Oh. We just gathering our lines right now. Not gonna lie, as much as I like to stand here and fly, it is gonna be scary to fly from here, because one wrong move and you're down there. I can try sending it down there, do a little bit of long range. Look at that guy, bro, be careful. Woo, woo. Whoa, he's 3 inches struggling in the wind. Wow, perfect landing. Okay, as you can see, the sun is out. Wow, sun is really out. It was just cloudy just a moment ago. All right, so the drone that we are flying today is Manta SE by Axis Flying. And I absolutely love this drone because it's so light. And 5-inch is normally not a long range quad. And this is my semi long range quad, and it does a pretty good job. I've flown 6 kilometers before in Indonesia, and it did amazing on Lion pack. So I am testing some of the Lion batteries today, as well as the lipos that I have. Antennas are on. Got these beautiful teal propellers. This guy is going ham. Almost nice. Propellers are almost done.
Bro, that was close, yo.
That was so cool. You very close, like this much, right behind your neck. And all right, the quad is ready. Axis Flying Manta SE, super lightweight quad, and that's the one that I use for most of my long range flights. Really happy with it because it's so lightweight, and I can get pretty decent flight times with it because the motors are kind of chill. And this is my long range quad as a 5-inch. Wow, it's been a while since I've flown one of these things. So I'm gonna warm up with a lipo, and then after that we're gonna send it with the Lion pack. Hopefully do a little bit of long range. Or maybe do a little orbit here. Wide orbit.
That's nice, bro.
Nice. Can't go too far because it's already 3.7. Yeah, nice and cloudy now.
32 is okay?
32 is good in the sun, but now it's a little bit underexposed because of the,
Keep shifting in it.
yeah, because the clouds keep coming in. 3.7, I'm just gonna land to be safe because this battery is unpredictable. Yeah, last time I crashed in one of these, I couldn't see it, and
Vegetation to your right, yeah. Solid.
solid landing. Woo, okay. All right, not bad. The battery is too old, couldn't even give me 3 minutes. So it was a good warm up. Gonna try the Lion battery because that's the one that I need to use for long range. And the weather keeps shifting from cloudy to sunny. Look at that tiny little thing. Whoo! Let's go, baby. All right, so now we're using iFlight Full Send 4000 mAh Lion battery. And this typically gives me about 15 minutes, which is pretty damn good for a 5-inch FPV quad of this size. So let's go see what happens. Look at this beefy little guy. And see if I can make it to the house right there. The isolated house. Looks pretty cool. All right, we're gonna take this ridge line. $200 meters out. $3.9. Where is even the house? 500 meters out. Yeah, I think I can see it. Let me double check my... Well, there we are. Way up there. Okay. Where is the house? Signal's looking good. Oh, I think I see the house. It's way over there. One kilometers out. Ooh. Got a red light.
Red light.
Yeah, from the
Signal?
signal. But it's okay. Still 15. If I go higher, it's fine.
Yeah, man.
Just gonna keep it high.
Trees blocking.
Oh, the trees are blocking me? Yeah, I'm just gonna be higher then. Yep, I see the house 1 kilometer out. Voltage looking good.
Review for iFlight's battery.
Yeah, it's pretty good, man. 3.8. 3 minutes in. Oh, made it to the house. 60 Mbps. Still, yeah, 55. Wow, I've never seen this house before. It's crazy, bro. Still in construction. It's doing a little orbit here. Wow, it's beautiful. What is this even? Is it for the birds?
Oh, maybe a house or bird's nest.
Yep. 1.6 kilometer. Coming back. The sun is coming out. It's beautiful. 4 minutes into the flight. Really love Lion packs, man. So now we are going with the wind, which is a little bit easier. What's our speed right now? 80 kilometers. Go a little low. I can go a little low maybe. See if skim these treetops a little bit. Woo. Look at this tree, man. This tree looks so beautiful. Look at this beautiful little tree. I'm at the, where are we? Okay. Coming back. Beautiful, man. Flies forever. 6 minutes in and 3.7 still. I'm pretty sure I can go 10 minutes more. But I'm just gonna make it storage voltage and come back. Maybe do a slow walk, I'll pass by you. Just do, stand by first, and then you do a slow walk. You ready? And go. Beautiful. Very nice. Just stand there, I'm gonna pass by you. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Do a review. There we go. Yeah, sky is so blue and beautiful now, even without color grading. All right, I'm getting tired of flying. That's what things with the, that's what happens when you fly Lion. It's just infinite amount of battery, and I really love it, man. Absolutely love cinematic flying. All right, coming in for landing. Is there anybody around?
No, everybody's gone.
Woo. That was nice. That was nice. So after all these years of coming here, I've never been to the house, but I've always seen that house, and I thought it's like someone's fairy tale house. Apparently it's not. seemed like it's a birdhouse. Managed to do about 1.1 kilometers and no issue at all. Absolutely love Li-ion batteries, and my drone flies well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna coat my drone because I will be flying in glaciers. I'm really excited for it, and it will be coming up soon on the channel. The content from the place, that country is just amazing, full of mountains and long range. So this is the battery that I flew, and for this battery that my friend gave, I definitely need bigger straps because I ran out of Velcro here. Look at that.
And obviously, it is not a proper drone adventure if you don't have at least one crash, and which is what happened. As my friend was flying, he got too excited. As it's very easy to miss out winds, he sent it straight into the bush and the drone rolled down, and here's what happened.
Okay, we have a little drone rescue mission right now. Cause my friend just crashed his drone into one of these bushes right here. So it's just right down there.
Fucking rescue mission. Oh my god, this guy just rescued my favorite quad. From here all the way down there through thick vegetation. He's made it. Oh my goodness. Bro, I was just about to give up.
No way.
I owe you a solid lunch.
I got you, bro.
I owe you a solid lunch. Let's go, bro.
Quads leave behind.
I was about to cry. I was honestly about to cry. My favorite quad. All the memories in there. The SD card. Bro saved it. My man saved it.
No quads leave behind. It's so good. It's amazing action.
My man.
Got ants all over me. But hey, if you don't have scratches and dust, it's not a real adventure.
Gone, bro.
It still turns on?
It's fried.
Fried? No way.
Either the battery is gone.
Battery is gone.
Let's see.
Really nice shower when you go home. Damn. It works.
It worked, bro.
Still works. What a beast of a quad.
Should I try the arm it? No.
Alright, now we can really go back because what an adventure that was. It works. Good shit.
It works, man. It works.